in today's class, we are going to talk about insertion of floral whorls. Let us define it. It is the arrangement of rest of the whorls with respect to gynoecium on thalamus. Let us talk about the different types of insertion of floral whorls. The first type is hypogyny. Suppose this is the slope of thalamus. This slope is a convex slope, and this is the gynoecium. As per the definition, arrangement of rest of the whorls. Rest of the whorls means calyx, corolla and androecium. Let us see how they are arranged here and why such a name is given. Let's say this is the calyx, then corolla, and then androecium. As you can see, all these whorls, calyx, corolla, androecium, are arranged below the ovary. Therefore, this type of arrangement is called hypogyny. Even it is also called as superior ovary. Let us take some examples. Brinjal, China rose, and mustard. Now let us talk about second type of floral whorl arrangement. And that is called as perigyny. Peri means at the periphery. In this case, thalamus is flat, like this, or it is slightly saucer shaped. And this is the ovary, gynoecium. All other whorls are arranged at the periphery or they are at the same position of the gynoecium. Now this is the calyx. These are the petals. And this is the androecium. So you can see that these floral whorls are arranged on the rim of the thalamus. Or in other words, the rest of the floral whorls are at the same level with that of gynoecium. There is one more type. In that case, the thalamus forms a cup-like shape. Like this. The thalamus appears like a cup with the ovary here. This is the gynoecium. All other whorls, calyx is at the rim of the thalamus. Then this is the petal. And androecium. Both these types. In first case, we have seen that thalamus is flat or saucer shape, and in the second case, we have seen that thalamus is having a cup shape. In both the cases, rest of the floral whorls are arranged at the same position or at the rim of the thalamus. Such type of arrangement is called as perigyny. Let us see some examples of perigyny. P, beans. Now let's talk about the third type of insertion. And that is epigyny. In this case, the thalamus is hollow from inside. See, this is the thalamus, and the walls of the thalamus, they unite with each other. Now you can see the thalamus is hollow from inside. Ovary is enclosed inside the thalamus. Right? Now because of this, all other words, calyx, this is the corolla and androecium. All of them are arranged above the ovary. Therefore, it is called as epigynous or epigyny type of arrangement. Now let us see some of their examples. Their examples are sunflower, guava. Now all these arrangements have a type of symbolic representation. In hypogyny, rest of the whorls are arranged below the ovary, that means below the gynoecium. Gynoecium is represented by a letter G, and these whorls are below the ovary, so we draw a line like this. This is hypogyny. In perigyny, rest of the whorls are arranged at the periphery of the ovary or at the same level. So gynoecium and a dash in front of it. Now let's talk about epigyny. G as usual represents gynoecium, and As the rest of the whorls are above the ovary, we draw a line above G. So these are the different arrangements of floral whorls.